Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the automatic AirPlay on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Firstly, unlock your iPhone and then go straight to the settings. Here in the settings you have to go straight to the general over here, and now search for the AirPlay and Handoff over here. Where was that? Here, continuity. It's now called continuity, not handoff. Here tap automatic AirPlay, tap that, and now to set it to the automatic, set it to the automatic, but here we have, as you can see, three options: ask, never, automatic. Set it to automatic to have your AirPlay working automatically. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.